Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a warning for everybody, and I would like everybody to, tell their relatives and friends about this. It is going on, and it's actually getting worse, and even Microsoft actually has ordered some websites and some domains to be seized because there's just too much going on. It has to do with COVID-19 related scams, and there's a lot of them going on. The most populars right now are from email. So basically, people get an email. The email could present itself as help relief, government aid, or some company that claims that you are eligible for some money because of the COVID crisis. And of course, there's a number of users that fall for this and will be asked personal information, including bank account information, because they say that they're going to deposit some money, but in reality, they use that to steal the money from your bank account. What is probably even worse on this is that the most vulnerable are probably the ones that are most attacked by this and are probably the ones that will maybe want to click a link or anything. So if you get an email that claims anything about COVID, that the government is sending you an email because they got money for you, or anything of help of COVID-19, these are all scams. Remember that governments and real entities that, like IRS or whatever, even the relief funds that are available, they do not send you an email to tell you that that's available. It doesn't work like that. Email is not the way of sending information to tell you you are going to get some help. It is done by letter. It is done by other means, but not through email. So warn everybody that these are all scams. Never click any links. Never answer any survey. Never go and give personal bank account information at all. And it's important to stay safe. And please share this information, because the more people know about it, the less chances the bad guys will have in stealing money. And, this is something that in education that everybody needs to know. And so email is the number one way that they actually do it. Of course, there could be other ways with some bad websites or malicious websites. But it seems that 99% of the scams going on right now with COVID-19 related scams are all done by email in a majority of cases. So warn your friends, your family, especially those that could have a chance of maybe clicking or looking at something like that. Educate them. It's the best way to win the war against the bad guys that are trying to, steal money for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.